you got to make sure that you're focusing on giving them perspective of why you're calling.
The Department of Engineering, Technology, and Industrial Distribution at Texas A&M University is preparing its students for successful careers upon graduation by teaching them real-world professional techniques.
So the lead generation game is teaching students about the attention and discovery stage of the sales process. So essentially what they're learning to do is get on the phone with a customer, get that person's attention saying this is a relevant conversation we can have, and then learning as much as they can about that organization to determine how they could be of assistance.
The lead generation program uses gamification to make cold calling potential clients more fun. It's an innovative way to engage and motivate students to learn new things and achieve their goals.
The idea of gamification was to have this team environment where they'd have knowledge assimilation between all of them. So they'd listen to each other call, and as they did, they'd realize the pains their friends are having, and they'd see that they're not the only ones that are struggling, and they'd also figure out how to improve quickly because they'd be able to collaborate. And we've seen that having phenomenal results. The students stay engaged. When I walk into the room and the students are coaching one another, I know we're doing it right.
We're not micromanaged here. We're given the tools and we're told to go succeed. And it's up to us, and that gamification really exemplifies that. It really helps us and gives us a good leverage into what the real world is going to be like.
One of the hardest aspects of sales is cold calling in general. And it's one of the most intimidating things to do, whether it's on the phone or whether it's in person. And so the lead generation game is giving these students real opportunities to do this in a controlled environment with coaches, but also talking to real customers and preparing them for what they're going to see when they get out in the workforce, and preparing them for the hardest part of what they're going to do in a sales career.
I think it builds up confidence with the younger people faster. When they get out when they leave college and go into the business world, they're better prepared and can handle business situations a lot more effectively.
We need students that could come in and immediately impact our business. The lead generation piece of the student equation is something we're very interested in, and the results that we're seeing with the folks that are coming out of the group is really good for our business.
These are real clients. Each one of us are sponsored by a different industry partner in the real world, and so we're all calling on different industries, we're all calling on different customers, and we're making these real life calls, leaving voicemails, having conversations.
Even if you don't really want to be a salesman, if you're going to go out into the business and the corporate world, this is a skill set that's going to help you in any area.
This isn't a typical experience a college student gets, and this is the experience they deserve. They need a chance to develop these skills before they're out there trying to do it while they're getting paid and feeling that stress. If we can give our students more experiential learning opportunities, they're going to be far beyond what the typical college graduate is.